Why wasn't the entire council at the mediation? And how was the number of council members allowed determined?
Well, the JOB, just like I said, when it was brought up that the mayor would like to have at least one council person go with her. John Weber has a job up in Sandpoint. Bill Lambert has a job. He has a wife he needs to take care of. Tom Lamar had appointments put together, and he couldn't get away. Dan Herscallen could not get away. Walter Steed could not get away. He'd get away for one day, but he didn't think he'd get away for 2 days. This is a slower period of time at our store, and I felt that, okay, I guess I'll go. I really wasn't that excited about it. Being a freshman council person, I thought maybe an experienced person should go. But I guess it was, I drew the short straw. Walter did come, and Walter was able to reschedule himself so he could be there for 2 days, but that's the reason. And you know, yeah, this is a real high-paying government job, folks, I guarantee you. But we have to work for a living too. And it gets in the way of some of the other important things that we try to do for the city. I would ask you to remember one thing. None of us are professional politicians. We're working people, we're residents just like you are. We don't have an axe to grind. We're trying to make the best decisions that we can, that we think benefits the entire community, not necessarily just a small sector.
I have to say, I appreciate everyone's compliance with our little rule set up here. So saying that, you can go ahead with the next question.
Why wasn't it rescheduled if only one person could attend?
I don't know. Well, the dates were set. It was next week, right? I mean, I'll have to ask Nancy this. I mean, is that something could we have decided we needed 3 or 4 council people and we could have rescheduled it?
You could have tried, you could have asked.
We could have done that?
You could have said no mediation. You had all kinds of options at that point.
But could we have did we have an opportunity to change the dates and move it to later on down the road?
Well, the judge has established that date.
The judge has said it, I know.
But if you...
I don't have a good answer for that. My impression was Monday and Tuesday, or Tuesday and Wednesday, whatever it was, those are the dates, that's where we're going. The judge is going to be there, everybody's flying in. You know, I guess when there's a court appearance, we can't call this really a court appearance, but to me it was a legal proceeding. And when they say you got to be there, you got to be there.